What's up, everyone? Good morning. Happy New Year. Gonna get on the R3 today, start off the year, and got this new decal from Gemini Motorsports. Is a bike shop that's owned by Jason. Jason's a really awesome dude. He's been around for 20 years around the Canoga Park area. So if you have any bike issues, want to get your bike fixed, if you're in the Valley area, go hit up Gemini Motorsports and contact Jason. And he's really cool, and he knows a lot about bikes, and he gives really good deals, upgrades, and fixing your bike. So yeah, the cool thing with the decal is that if you get one from him, you can get a free checkup every 2 weeks on your bike just to see what's wrong with it, and for free. So definitely check him out. Post the link below to his website. So let's start the show. Hey everyone, Happy New Year. And taking the R3 out this morning. Last night I rode the 250, the XC250. Crazy in LA. People still shooting guns up in the air, but that's never gonna end. Recently I rode the Triumph Thruxton 900, and man, that bike is amazing. I rode it again, actually. It's my buddy's, and he rode my XC250. I tried to race him, but you know, that ended not good on the Yamaha and that Thruxton. And he had his girlfriend on his back, so he had a backpack, and you know, he was just playing with me. But yeah, that you know, Triumphs are just really smooth under throttle. When you you know, just ease in the throttle, it's just the power delivery is so smooth. You know, it doesn't kind of jump. It's just that first gear just kind of just rolls in really tall, and you can just cruise. But other than that, that bike is great. You know, he's never had any issues with it. And I rode it, I was just like, man, you know, it's a bit heavy, but you know, I can, you know, once you're moving, you can handle it, you know. And he's like 5'3", 125 pounds. So, you know, that tells you right there, you know, the size doesn't matter handling those kind of bikes. You know, our bike's almost 500 pounds wet, I think, I believe. I don't know, but I know it's heavy for sure. And yeah, he loves it. I'm really considering moving up. If anything, if I do want to stay in the sport bike category, I'll probably move up to the GSXR600, just because I don't do a lot of track, and mainly for, like, you know, freeways and commuting, and maybe light when I do canyons. Now the GSXR would be perfect. The R6, I love the look of the R6. It's just the seat height for me, it's a little tall. I know, again, you guys would say, well, blah blah blah, you know, you never really, you need to just get used to it. But for me, when I sat on the R6, it's great, you know, but I feel like that bike is made for track, and just, you know, the ergonomics and seating position is like really super aggressive. Now don't get me wrong, the GSXR600 is the same thing, but for the GSXR I felt more comfortable, I felt more relaxed. And I know that it's a little bit heavier, but the seat height's lower, and I feel like, well, this bike might be great for me, you know, for just commuting, mainly for the freeways, honestly. If I have to go somewhere far, or if I need to do the highway, I can keep up with the cars. Not that the R3 can't. I love the R3, but it's just, I'm high revving this thing just to stay with, you know, with the speed of traffic. So it's working too hard just to be on the highway. But other than that, you know, like I said, you got at least a 600cc bike. The GSXR or the MT-07, but I think the MT-07 is probably more likely in my range, budget wise. But I do like the Triumph bikes. You know, they man, it's nothing like any other bikes I've ever ridden. I really want to try the Speed Twin or the Street Scrambler. You know, those are the two bikes. I feel like I just need that little you know, that little power on the freeway, you know, like the R3 can do it. It's just I'm having to, you know, like really fight for it. So maybe the MT-07 or GSXR, whichever one, but I you know, most likely the MT-07 or the FZ-07 will be the next bet that I get. So I don't know, you guys tell me, what should I get, you know? Those are the three or four bikes probably: the MT-07, the GSXR600, the Triumph Thruxton or the Triumph Speed Twin, or the Triumph Street Twin, or the Triumph Street Scrambler. Trying to figure out which one of those would work. Oh, I got these grips too. I got new grips from Gemini, so Jason installed them. If you have an R3, one thing to consider: changing your grips. The R3 2019, the damn grips are glued onto the handlebar, so you can't just slide it out. So you had to like sand it off, or you had to use like a little drill to just cut all the rubber out. So if you are gonna change the grips on your 2019 R3, the left handle or the left clip is glued on. The right one is easy, you can just slide it off, but the left one is glued right in. So just take in consideration. I don't know, I just don't want to high rev the crap out of this bike, you know, for longevity. You know, on a 600 you can hang on 6,000 RPMs and you're going pretty fast, but this one always got to be like on 7, 8, 9. So that's my only issue. Other than that, bike's great. It's great, it's nice. Again, Happy New Year, guys. I think I'm gonna take myself to Whole Foods for lunch today. Come on, green. There you go. So to wrap it up, again, Happy New Year. Everyone ride safe, and you know, count your blessings. Oh, look, horsey. Don't step on me. Don't step on me, horsey. Look at that. That horse. Yeah, I don't want to wild up that horse. Fucking revving that bike, this bike, and just make that horse go crazy.